Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have something on the floor. Wait a second, and it's something you can't eat. Can you guess? In our last video we did this, but it didn't come out good, kind of. It came out bad. So it came out a bit bad. Remember, it was so sticky. 3, 2, 1. Please. Slime. So this is Gabby's dollhouse version, and you cannot eat this, kids. These were the last two. Maybe they'll add more in stock. Okay, let's open them up. Toot toot. So we got some glitter. This is getting. Oh my God, slime. I'm dumping it. I'm scared.
Slime.
Oh.
I got purple, Lisa.
Oh, wait. Do you want pink? If you want pink, we... She got purple and I got pink. Oh, wow. It's over my hands. All over. Okay. Let us get our hands dirty. Oh, wow. This is so cool. Look at that. Ooh. Okay. So gooey. I didn't expect this. Okay, now we're just going to play with that a bit. 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. I can make a bubble with bubble gum. Okay, now we're going to add some glitter. Glitter. Get a little bit in your hand and sprinkle. Okay, do you want some of mine? I can take some of yours. You can take some of mine. I'm going to take some of your confetti. Now we can mix and match. Okay. Oh yeah. There's a charm. Wait, oh my God. I just noticed this. There's a charm. Oh. Okay. That's so cool. I think I need some more glitter.
Me too.
Do you want pink? So just get your hands dirty. Pass me some more glitter, somebody.
Give me some more glitter, somebody.
Okay. Get this.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm just gonna dump some.
Me too.
Yeah. Thank you.
My hands are too slimy.
Look what I'm doing, kids. I'm gonna sprinkle. Take some of mine. Yeah, this is better.
Yes, this is better.
You see the change of mine and hers? What's going on in the difference? Do you want pink? Do you want pink? Okay, we're just gonna switch.
Yeah.
Because she wants pink. We're switching because she really... Oh, hers is cold. It's literally stuck in the... Look. Hi, vlog.
Hi, hello.
It's so cool. And look at this. I want a bit of Soha's. So I can ask some of yours. Yeah. Sharing is caring. Put a little bit. Actually, get it from like this. Wow, this is so cool.
Yeah. It's like a slime.
Oh, wow. Watch this vlog. Wait, I want to try and make a bubble like I did before.
This is so cool.
I know, I love it.
It's too slimy. Look at this, guys.
It's so slimy. I wish I could make slime.
Oh,
Maybe in one with you, one video, I will make slime. 3, 2, 1. This is so cool.
This is so
I didn't expect this was cool.
Look at this.
So if you take some of each and mix them up. Okay. Here, I'll give you some. Get off. Get off. I'm saying get off. I'm saying get off. What am I saying? Listen to me. Oh no, I got pink in the middle.
I got this.
Purple in the middle. And mostly I have purple.
So we have
Okay.
more sprinkles.
So I'm giving you some purple, and then you give me some pink. No, give me the pink which is there. And then we can mix together. Here. Give me some pink. Oh my god. Oh, thanks. Okay, thanks. Okay, now, should I dunk in the whole slime?
Yeah.
See,
First, I'm getting the
I
whole
tricked it.
slime.
I tricked you. I tricked you, kids.
I tricked you, please.
Oh, yeah, it feels so cool.
Oh.
Oh. I just had an idea.
Perfect.
This, I'm going to put inside here. Should I, kids? Okay.
This, I'm gonna put it tonight, guys.
Oh, candy. Oh. I'm going to get candy out after.
Okay.
Somebody get him out.
Yes.
Oh, I'm going to add a little bit more glitter.
Me too.
Wait, I could use the glitter for art and craft. Ooh. Wow, I have to use... Oh, haha.
Oh! Oh!
Oh, we mixed it. We totally mixed it. I'm getting lots of glitter in it,
Me too.
which are hurting my fingers.
Too.
Well, it's okay, because slime is fun.
Yeah.
Don't play with slime for long.
Yeah.
And put lots of glitter in it, or it'll hurt your fingers like the last time, which happened to me, which always happens because I put too much glitter.
Me too.
I just love this.
So guys, we are gonna do look.
If you love watching my videos, please subscribe to our channel and support us on Sharos everywhere. Please.
Good light.
You know what they should do? They should, with, this candy. It's called candy.
Mine is lemon. She's called candy.
He's called candy. It's like,
Slime. Oh!
thank you for watching our channel. Hope you enjoy. See you next.
Bye.
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 Junior by Deco. Like, share and subscribe us. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification.